Alright, so today we want to see at a case where we want to convert list to a Python string or text. So what we will do, if we have a list containing some strings, like we can say we have 3 here, 2 and 1. So let's save and run that. And if we want to convert this list 1 into a string, so what we'll do is we'll use this join function built in Python. So we'll pass the argument list1 and it will output. So what we did here is we wrote an empty string here and then joined it with list1. So the whatever the list1 contains is joined in with this. And remember, here we can also pass anything. If we want to join the text in the list1 with dashes, so we can pass dash and it will be like this, it will be joined like this. So another thing we can do with this is, say we have two lists and we want to join these two lists and extract text in string format. So what we'll do is here we can say here 5 and 4. Okay, so what if we tried to join it like this? We said list1 and list2, so it will not work because here it says join takes exactly one argument. So what is the option? What if we want to, we can do it like this. We can concatenate the lists and here we can do any amount of list concatenation and then we'll have the desired output. So here it is. And next thing that I want to show you is, if we have like 1 and an integer format, and like this we have a list3 with containing strings and integers. So in this case the previous method won't work. Like this we can say list3. So here the error says type error, expected string instance int found. So what is the solution here? First we have to convert this integer into a string. So for that we can do is we can say we can write a list comprehension here. We can say string of x for x in list 3. So here is the desired output. Here we first converted the x, means items in list 3, to strings and then joined it to the empty string. So there we have it. We now know how to convert Python list to a Python string.